Hi guys, welcome back to Nanhua Performing Arts Group Dance Lessons. My name is Bobby. Today we'll be doing part 2 of a dance piece called Umoya. Let's get started. This was our last movement. Bam, dam, 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 bam. Right? Then from here, 1, 2, up, 2, da, 10, boom. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Clap, clap, up, up. Back, 10, boom. Then from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, down, open, 2, 3. Again. From the punch, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back, open, up, down, back, and 1, 2. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Back, open, down, down, back, back, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, from back, back. 5, 6, 7, go. Da, da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, turn and 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's combine from the top till the end with music. This is the end of our lesson. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next lesson. Goodbye.